YouTube BASSCHAMP101 and Wartexer down there. People calling him mad at him or something. Someone's calling his mad at him or something. Oh, our friend's leaving their house because we're too late. But hey, we're driving on dirt road. It's like noon, 1. We've been riding, just going very far. See what Wartexer has to say. Wartexer! What do you gotta say? Is this effing exhausting or what? Is it fun?
Yeah, can't come back. Stop and answer.
I'm gonna take a picture of that nice thing I did. So, well, I'll talk to you guys later. This is BASSCHAMP101 and Wartexer. God bless you guys. Have a good rest of the day, week, whatever. By the time we put this on YouTube, it'll be the end of the week, but peace. God bless you.